Hey guys, so in this video, let's talk about P0166 code. Now, the P0166 diagnostic trouble code means that the oxygen sensor located on bank 2 sensor 3 is not producing any signal. Now, the sensor is responsible for monitoring oxygen levels and exhaust gases in the catalytic converter. Now, the ECM detects no voltage fluctuation from the sensor and interprets the sensor as inactive or stuck. Now, this lack of signal can lead to improper fuel management, increased emissions, indicating a fault in the O2 sensor circuit and the sensor itself. Now, moving on, the symptoms of P0166 code is going to be a check engine light. Now, this is a illumination detecting an issue with the oxygen sensor circuit. Failed emission tests, so any malfunctioning sensor can lead to higher emissions output and lead to the vehicle failing regulatory emission inspections. Poor fuel economy can also be a massive one, as incorrect oxygen level data can cause inefficient fuel mixture adjustments. Hesitation during acceleration. Now, delayed or uneven acceleration happens because the ECM cannot accurately adjust fuel delivery without proper sensor input. Rough idle or stalling, occasional stalling can occur due to improper sensor signals affecting engine timing and fuel delivery. Reduce engine performance. Now, overall engine responsiveness and power output decline as the ECM struggles to maintain optimal combustion. Now, common causes of P0166 code is going to be a faulty oxygen sensor. Now, a damaged or worn oxygen sensor on bank 2 sensor 3 fails to generate voltage signals, causing inactivity detected by the ECM. Exhaust leak ahead of sensor. Now, leaks in the exhaust system before sensor 3 alter oxygen levels and can pretty much prevent accurate readings and cause a signal loss in the O2 sensor. Damage or corroded wiring. So wiring to the sensor can be broken, corroded, or even disconnected and interrupt communication between the sensor and ECM. Now, faulty sensor heater circuit. Now, if the sensor heater circuit malfunctions, then sensor may not reach the optimal operating temperature. Now, this can result to a no signal flash. Now, ECM malfunction. Now, if the ECM actually malfunctions, it can cause false inactivity alerts. Now, here are the steps to fix P0166 code, and it's pretty simple. You can go ahead and read the bottom if you want more insight, but let's go ahead and cut it straight through here. Now, replace the oxygen sensor with an OEM one, preferably the OEM one. Try not to get them from eBay, as eBay does sell you fake OEMs, so be aware of that. You'll notice that if you look at the pictures of the eBay listings, that most of the times the brands are blurred out, so be aware of those, as they do sell you pretty cheap parts. Next is going to be inspect and repair wiring. So ensure that there isn't an uninterrupted sensor communication with any wiring that may be frayed, corroded, or even shorted. Fix exhaust leaks, preventing false readings, and even test the circuits and update the ECM. Now, ECM you don't necessarily have to update, but if you're getting multiple codes for multiple sensors regarding, signal loss and whatnot, then maybe it's time for a new ECM. So anyways, thank you guys all for watching another OBD Mastery YouTube video. Till then, if you have any questions, leave them down below. We'll be sure to answer you as soon as possible. So till then, thank you guys all for watching, and see you until next time.